everybody! We're going to review our alphabet, and then we're going to talk about the two types of letters that are in the alphabet, and we're going to look at one special letter today. But before we get started, I hope you remember your alphabet from kindergarten, but if not, we're getting ready to dance it out. Are you ready? All right.
Okay, here we go.
Alright, so that was a little fun dance, but now we're about to get started and learn some more about some special letters in our alphabet. Alrighty friends, let's talk about phonics and let's talk about the alphabet. I hope you enjoyed that quick little dance we did and that kind of helped remind you of your alphabet letters. But now let's get into breaking those letters up. Our alphabet is made up of two kinds of letters. We have consonants, but then we also have vowels. Now vowels, they're very, very special letters because they can make more than one sound. Do you remember what vowels are from kindergarten? Do you remember what they were? Let's see. We have A, E, I, O, and U. Now those are all of our vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. And again, they're very special because they can make more than one sound. All of the other alphabet, or all of the other letters in the alphabet are called consonants. The A, E, I, O, and U are the only letters that are vowels. Everything else is a consonant. Now, we're going to look at one vowel today. We are just going to look at the O. Just going to look at special letter O. Miss Cassie likes the letter O because it looks like a ball. Now, vowels have what we call a long sound and a short sound. Now, let's look at the letter O. The long sound, the letter just says his name. So if we look at O, the long sound for O is O. He just says his name. Easy to remember, right? It's the same thing with A and E and I and U. The long sound makes them say their name. So the long sound for A is A. The long sound for E is E. The long sound for I is I. The long sound for O is O. And the long sound for U is U. But let's talk about the short sound. These are the only letters that can make these two special sounds. That's why they're special. The short sound, they actually say their sound. So the short sound for A says A. The short sound for E says E. And the short sound for I says I. Can you guess what the short sound for O is? Good. Ah. And the short sound for U? Good. So just remember, long sound, they say their name. Short sound, they make what they sound like. But let's focus on the O today. You're going to have some activities today, and it's just going to be on the the letter O, and we're just going to look at this short sound. Now, I'm going to write some words here. And let's see if we can sound them out. I'm going to write what we call CVC words. A CVC word means there's going to be a consonant, then you're going to see a vowel, then you're going to see another consonant. Let's see if we can sound out this word with the short sound of O. Are you ready? So we have a consonant D, we have an O, and a G. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Now let's see if we can sound this out. Now remember, our O makes its short sound. Are you ready? D, A, G. You know what that says? Very good. Dog. Let's try another one. C, O, T. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Our O makes his short sound. Let's see if we can sound it out. Are you ready? K, A, T. Do you know what that says? K, A, T. Caught. Very good. Let's do one more. Are you ready? D, O, T. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Short O. Are you ready? D, A, T. D, A, T. Dot. Very good. Now I know that was a very short lesson, but in our Bitmoji classroom, there are some other short O videos if you would like to go watch those. And you're also going to do a small assignment on some short O today and this week. So we'll see how you do.